What's up everyone, Chimpa LIS Audio out here. I'm actually going to take you on a walkthrough through this Lexus to show you how we set up every car when it comes in to have an installation done here. Notice that we actually take the time to tape off each of our doors.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
As soon as the vehicle enters our shop, we're going to go ahead and test the battery for its proper cold cranking amperage to make sure that it's in proper use before we do anything and add more load to the system. One additional thing you'll see is a battery tender on the vehicle, so we can make sure that the battery is maintained the entire time that we're working on it. So you'll notice once you walk into the shop that it's not just going to be one car that we do it to. Every single car that we have is going to be taped off. Every car is going to have our paint protection package, and we're going to make sure that we're protecting all vehicles while they're in the shop. Thanks for watching our video on our LIS Audio protection package.